In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana integration in Slack. We'll walk through connecting a specific Asana project to your Slack workspace so you can get updates and work on tasks without constantly switching tabs. By the end, you'll have the integration fully set up and ready to use. First, open your Asana project in your browser. Make sure you're on the correct project where you want Slack updates to appear. It's usually easiest to do this from the project's main list view so you can clearly see the project name and toolbar at the top. Once your project is open, look towards the top of the screen for the project toolbar. There should be an option or icon that's highlighted in the guide you're following. Go ahead and click that highlighted area to open the project's menu. This is where Asana keeps important controls related to that specific project. From this menu, look for the Settings option. It might appear as Project Settings, or simply Settings, often represented by a small gear icon. Click on Settings to open a window or panel with several tabs related to how your project behaves. Inside the Settings panel, find and select the Apps tab. This is where Asana lists all the applications and integrations that can connect to your project, including Slack. It may take a moment to load, especially if you have a lot of apps available, so just wait for the list to appear. In the Apps section, look for Slack in the list of available integrations. Once you've located it, you should see a button labeled Connect. Click on Connect to start the process of linking Asana with your Slack workspace. At this stage, Asana will usually open a new window asking for permission to connect your account. You'll first be asked to authorize Asana's connection. Review the permissions, then click Allow to confirm that Asana is allowed to integrate with Slack on your behalf. This step ensures your Asana account can communicate securely with the Slack app. Next, you'll see a similar permission screen from Slack. This time, you're authorizing Slack to interact with Asana. Again, review the requested permissions and click Allow. Make sure you're signed into the correct Slack workspace before confirming. Once everything is approved, you'll see an option to open Slack. Click Open Slack to switch over to the Slack app or browser tab. Your Asana project is now connected, and you can start configuring notifications and using Asana directly from Slack.